All right, Charlie Tango, Born. What do you want to be called? Bye-bye? What do you want to be called? E? Eli? Bye-bye. No, most of the stuff we do is firearm related. Training is every day. Today, we're gonna work on some BJJ. I'm at my local #1 martial art dojo in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Working with the instructors here today, and they're going to give us a little example of just some of the fundamental, basic, introductory submissions that you should know coming into BJJ. I think we're gonna do 5 today. I wanna thank you guys. Let's get this.
So the first submission that I'm gonna show you is an arm bar, and we're gonna do it from mount. Heavy, bring the knees in. Wrap an arm, over, under. Step up. Rotate over the face. Pinch the knees. Scoot the butt in. Double grip. Lean back. If they're on their knees and you've got your feet wrapped and they have a choke, we're going to grab the wrist, dig the leg, rotate. Your other leg is going to come all the way around, and I'm going to bring my hips up and bite. If they fall over, feet to butt, knees together, lay back nice and slow. The second move we're gonna do is the rear naked choke. So rear naked choke, a basic application. I'm gonna start behind them, feed the arm underneath the chin. I want the elbow in line with the chin so I can adjust. I can grab onto his shoulder so I'm secured. My other hand's gonna shoot behind his head, and then I'm gonna feed my hand through the hole. From there, my head goes down and everything comes to the center, so I'm gonna take a deep breath, expanding my chest. All right, so a way that you can get it in a live scenario is if I'm in mount and you're gonna turn to your side and go to your belly. Good. And go to get up. Good job, you good? The next one we're gonna do is the triangle. We're gonna go hips up, arm across, drop it down, head control, foot to hip, rotate. I'm gonna bite, bring the leg over. I'm gonna bring my knees together and you're gonna tap. Hips up, arm across, drop it down, head control, foot to hip, rotate, bite the neck, leg over, knees together. What we're gonna do is the Kimura. So for here, I'm gonna own the arm first. I'm gonna sit up and shrimp, own the arm, grab the wrist, grab their wrist, grab your wrist, pull it to your chest, lay flat back, trap the foot. From there, I'm going to get myself out from underneath, hip, shoulder, cross my feet, squeeze, extend, and then it's a very slow rotation towards his head.
So next move we're gonna go over is Americana, and today we're gonna do it from side control, also known as side mount. So, once you establish control of your opponent, you gotta isolate a limb, 2-on-1. You gotta figure 4 your arms right here, and this hand that I have underneath his head, we're gonna pop belt, we're gonna slide it into his neck. Keep that wrist pinned on the ground. I'm gonna rotate up while dragging his wrist down and holding it tight to him. And then once he taps. You see a lot of wrestlers will do a takedown, got the legs here, gonna slide back up. And now usually your opponent, your partner, he's gonna start moving and rolling. That's gonna give you a good opportunity to pin down one arm. Again, keep that wrist on the ground, slide it up. So next one we gotta go over today is a guillotine choke, as if your opponent is charging in at you, trying to tackle you. So just like a football tackle, you're coming in. But from here, first thing you wanna do is you don't wanna stop the momentum. So as he's pushing, I'm just guiding. Take my left hand underneath my arm. I want my elbow all the way in line with his chin. I don't want it out here, it gives him too much wiggle room. I want it all the way in. Okay? Now, if he's got to still push, that's fine. I'm going to keep working with him. I'm going to grip my hands together. You'll see this. We're here. I'm going to roll my shoulder back, step in wide, then apply the pressure. Next, what we're going to go over is we got to go over our arm press from side control or side mount. All right, similar setup. You got to keep that weight down. Hand near the head, north side hand. You got to grab that wrist. You got to rotate it out so you can expose that elbow joint. Come underneath. I'm going to press down my left hand on his wrist. I'm going to roll up on my right. Get that straight arm locked out.
Special thanks to the instructors at Martial Arts and More in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Consider Cerberus Tactics an ally at the ready.
Charlie Tango, stay free.